welcome to Simply Food. Today we are diving into classic with a twist. Russian eggs in gelatin. Yep, it's got eggs, veggies and even gelatin holding it all together. Ingredients? You guessed it, they are listed below. Okay, let's get this show started. First thing first, grab your cheese, pickles and roasted red peppers and slice them nice and thin. If you got hamburger pickles, well, lucky you. No work needed, they are ready to party. Next, take a hard-boiled egg, cut it in half. And don't forget to drain these canned sweet peas. Nobody likes watery peas. Now the fun begins. Start stacking everything into containers, one layer at a time. How much of each? Totally up to you. It depends on how many containers you have got and how ambitious you are feeling. Think of it like food Tetris. Just stack them in however they fit. Time for the brine. Fill a pot with water, toss in some salt, sugar and splash of vinegar. Let it cook on medium heat until everything's happy together. And how much water, you ask? Well, that depends too. Just make enough to cover your containers. Oh, and make it a little stronger than you think, because once it's cooled down, it will chill out and taste milder. Next up, the magic glue, gelatin. Just follow the instruction on the box. Stir it into a hot brine until it's all mixed in. And then let it cool down. Not too hot, not too cold. You want it warm. If it's boiling, it will cook your ingredients. And if it's too cold, it will start setting before you even pour it. Now comes the grand finale. Pour the gelatin into the containers, nice and slow. Best trick, pour it over your salami so it stays clear and looks way better. Once everything filled, let the containers cool on the counter until they feel cold from the outside. Then cover them with lids. Pop them into the fridge and let them set. Serve nice and cold because that's when it tastes the best. That's it! Russian egg in gelatin, all stuck up and looking fancy. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and tell us in the comments what you would layer inside yours.